Have you ever wondered how a flat piece of cardboard becomes a box? Today we'll discover the secret: nets of solid figures. A net is the flat shape you get when you unfold a 3D solid completely. Think of it like peeling off the surface and laying it flat. A cube has 6 square faces. When we unfold it, we see all 6 squares joined along their edges. This is the net of a cube. Important: a cube can have many different nets. As long as 6 squares connect properly and fold into a cube, it's correct. Example 1. Draw the net of a rectangular box. It has 2 identical rectangular ends and 4 rectangular sides. We unfold each face carefully. Our finished net shows 6 rectangles connected. The top and bottom match. The 4 sides surround them. Check that opposite faces are equal. Example 2. A triangular prism. It has 2 triangular ends and 3 rectangular sides. Watch how we unfold it carefully. The net shows 2 triangles and 3 rectangles. Make sure the rectangles' widths match the triangle's sides. This is a common exam question. Common mistake: students draw nets where faces overlap when folded. Always imagine folding it. Do any squares land on top of each other? Memory aid. Think net equals no extra triangles overlapping. Always count the faces and imagine folding it back together. Practice drawing different arrangements. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more math lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com to learn more. Keep practicing nets until you can draw them confidently.